We're going to have a look at a prototype for a gym monitoring application by the name of Muskle, which is developed by me on behalf of a freelance software developer by the name of Muskle from Australia. There are plenty of other such applications, but this one is designed especially for the sharing of training performance data between the user and a personal trainer. After logging in, we're going to have a look at how to plan a training session in the Session Planner view. In the world of Muskle, a training session represents a combination of the exercises you perform on a single gym visit. In this example, we notice that the exercise bike is not available in the exercises, so we toggle the Add Exercise interface by clicking New Exercise, and then select the muscle groups that exercise targets, give it a name and add it to the available exercises. Now that we have our bicycle exercise, we can click it to add it to the selected exercises for this planned session. We will also add rowing and give this session a name, in this case cardio. Since only duration time is really interesting for the exercise bike and the rowing machine, we will disable weight and repetition for those. We will also set the rest between sets, so we have a rest after the first exercise, but not after the last one, since we are done at that point. When the session is saved, you'll be taken to the sessions overview, where you can see your new planned session and your previous ones. Let's go ahead and go to the Perform Session view and perform our new cardio session. As you see, the Perform Session view steps through this session exercise by exercise, and is pre-filled with historical data if such is available, or the template data that we just made. For our next view, View Progress, we're going to switch user to one with a bit more data available. The View Progress view takes your historical data and divides it up by exercise and gives you a nice, easy overview of your performance. It's available over a year, a month, or the last week. Speaking of last week, let's have a look at the week-based training program. Your program, created either by you or your personal trainer, consists of up to 7 sessions. Any sessions you have performed within the last 7 days will be marked as performed this week and the button grayed out. We have added the session arm day to the program, but actually we pulled the muscle, so we're going to, instead of performing it, mark it as skipped due to injury. In the current state, the state of the page is not updated when the historical data is added, so it requires a page reload to show. I said in the beginning that what set this application apart is the sharing of performance data, so let's have a look at that. I'll log back in as a personal trainer and click the Clients view. Personal trainers can create a single-use invite code that's valid for 30 days. When a user who isn't a personal trainer follows the link, they'll be taken to a page where they can choose to link up with the trainer. Now that the user has given permission, the personal trainer has access to the information belonging to that user. As you can see, the personal trainer now have access to the same view as the original user. That, apart from the user profile, is all the implemented feature in this prototype. Thank you for watching.